blackberry milk banana smoothie, or banana milk blackberry smoothie, or banana milk blackberry smoothie, or blackberry banana milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the blackberry recipes and one of the most unique of the blackberry smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes for breakfast and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes for kids. Today we are going to make blueberry banana smoothie or banana blueberry smoothie. We have taken around 50 grams of blueberry, around one banana which we have cut in pieces, and 50 grams of sugar. Put in the banana pieces into the blueberry pieces into the grinder. Now putting the sugar. Now close and blend well. Pour in around 200 ml of milk that we blended in the blender. Mix. And scrape the sides of the blender. Close and blend well. Now the blueberry banana milk smoothie or blueberry milk banana smoothie is ready. Now pour in the smoothie into the glass. This is a very delicious and light breakfast or dinner. This is the final blackberry banana milk smoothie or blackberry milk banana smoothie or banana milk blackberry smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the blackberry smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the blackberry recipes for dinner. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.